No, go get a cheaper one at Harbor Freight or something. These are going to an all cordless rack. So what I have here is a mirror. This hose right here is going to run into this pan. Now, as I'm screwing this down, it's probably sprayed me in the face and all that, so that's good. Then I'm going to switch over, pick up on the tab, and actually pull back. Now we got that out of the way. Now, over here, firmly grasp onto, now be careful of this rail because it is plastic. How you tell a good gasket? First you crank that up. Alright, let's get this cleaned up. And also, weather stripping, and just put a little dab in there and hold them in place. Put it on the inside of there so we can twist this. Oh, right about here. So, lined up. That one's way off right